Hi students, welcome back to All Force Maths class. Dear students, in this session I am going to discuss about the angle between the lines and related problems. Please note this value, angle between two lines. If theta is an acute angle between the lines having slopes m1 and m2, then tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If theta is an acute angle between the lines having the slopes m1 and m2, then tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. First, please observe these two lines. It is the line L1, it is the line L2. These two are intersecting at P. Suppose this is one of the angle theta, this angle automatically theta, opposite angles. Okay, what is this angle? This total angle is said to be straight angle. That means this angle is equal to 180 minus theta or pi minus theta. Automatically this angle is 180 minus theta. If theta is one of the angle between the two lines, then 180 minus theta is also the angle between the two lines. If theta is the acute angle between the lines, what is the obtuse angle between the two lines? 180 minus theta. First you observe this point. Okay, if theta is the angle between the two lines, then 180 minus theta is also the angle between the two lines. Okay, in this case the slopes of the two lines are given. Slopes of two lines are given. Now I draw two lines. Say this is x axis and y axis. It is x dash, y dash. Say this is one of the first line L1 and this makes an angle theta 1 with x axis. That means angle of inclination of the line is theta 1. Say this is the line 2, it is line 2 and it makes an angle theta 2 with positive x-axis. That means angle of inclination. It is theta 1, it is theta 2. Now we find the angle between these two lines. Say this value is theta. Angle between the two lines is nothing but theta. Say this value is theta. Okay, here what is this value? It is a triangle. Say it is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of the interior angles is equal to exterior angle. By using that property, we find the relation between theta 1, theta 2, theta. What is the relation between these values? Theta 1 plus theta is equal to theta 2. What is the value of theta? Theta 2 minus theta 1. Theta 2 minus theta 1. Okay. Theta 2 is equal to, theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Any doubt in this value? Okay. Here, suppose theta 1 is the angle of inclination of the line, then m1 is equal to what is the value? M1 is equal to tan theta 1. If theta is given, slope is tan theta. Similarly, m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Okay, theta 1 here, theta 1 plus theta is equal to theta 2. So theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. But from the adjacent diagram, theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Okay, what is the value of tan? Applying tan on both sides. Tan theta is equal to tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. Tan A minus B means tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, tan theta 1 means m1, tan theta 2 means m2. That means m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is equal to minus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. But here theta is acute angle. That means we get only positive value. So apply mod value. Therefore tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Please note this value. Proof. Draw the diagram. Let L1 comma L2 be two lines. Let L1 comma L2 be two lines which makes an angle theta 1 comma theta 2 respectively. Theta 1 comma theta 2 respectively with positive x-axis in positive direction. Then slopes. What are the slopes? M1 is equal to tan theta 1, M2 is equal to tan theta 2. Okay, slope of the line is nothing but tan theta 1, tan theta 2. From the given, theta is the acute angle between the lines. Okay, let theta be the angle between the two lines. From the adjacent diagram, theta 1 plus theta is equal to theta 2. That implies theta is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. Applying tan on both sides. By applying tan on both sides, we get tan theta is equal to tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. That implies tan theta is equal to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. But tan theta 1 is nothing but m1. Tan theta 2 is nothing but m2. m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1 or m1 m2. Minus is the common term, m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. But from the given, theta is equitangle. So tan theta is always greater than 0. Tan theta is always greater than 0. So we take mod value. Therefore, tan theta is equal to, finally we get tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Very, very important. Please note this value. Next, please write the note point. If theta is the acute angle between the lines, then the other angle between the lines is pi minus theta. Please note this diagram. Say this is theta, opposite angle is theta. This total angle is right angle, that means this angle is pi minus theta. If theta is the one of the angle between the two lines, then pi minus theta is also the angle between the two lines. Please note this point. If theta is the acute angle between the lines, then other angle between the lines is pi minus theta, and draw the diagram. Next, second point. If theta is acute angle between the lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then tan theta is equal to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Next, cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square. Third one, sin theta is equal to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square. In previous case, if the slopes are given, then we find the angle between the lines. Here, in this case, the two lines equations are given. If the line equations are given, what are the slopes? Minus a1 by b1 minus x coefficient by y coefficient is the slope when standard form is given. Here, the first line slope m1 is equal to minus a1 by b1. Okay. What is the slope of the second line? m2 is equal to minus a2 by b2. Here two lines are these two values. Okay, already we proved this value. Tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Substitute these values in this equation, we get the required result. By using the trigonometric properties, by drawing a triangle tan, opposite side by adjacent, we find the value of hypotenuse. Then cos is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, sin is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. By using that properties, we derive these values. Okay, please note this value. What are the given lines? Given lines. First line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. What is the slope of this line? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. m1 is equal to minus a1 by b1. And second line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is the second line. What is the slope of this line? Minus a2 by b2. Okay, m1 is equal to minus a1 by b1, m2 is equal to minus a2 by b2. Let theta be the acute angle between the two lines. We know that tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, that means mod of m1 means minus a1 by b1 minus a2 by b2 by 1 plus minus a1 by b1 into minus a2 by b2 means a1 by b1 into a2 by b2, minus into minus plus. Okay, here what is the LCM value? Minus m2 means minus a2 by b2 means minus of minus plus a2 by b2. Okay, after simplification, what is the LCM? b1 b2. In denominator also b1 b2. These two are cancelled. That is equal to mod of minus a1 b2 plus a2 b1 by b1 b2 plus a1 a2. That is equal to mod of minus of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Mod x is equal to mod minus x. That means what is the value? Therefore finally we get tan theta is equal to mod of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. It is the required value. Please observe this value. Tan theta is equal to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. By using the trigonometric properties, we find cos and sin. Okay, please note this value. Next, what is the tan? Tan means opposite side by adjacent. Here it is a triangle. Say this value is theta. a1 b2 minus a2 b1, this value. What is this value? a1 a2 plus b1 b2. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. By using this property, we find this value. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay. What is the side? One of the side is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Other side is a1 a2 plus b1 b2. That means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. That implies hypotenuse square is equal to what is the side? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 whole square. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means a1 square b2 square plus a2 square b1 square minus 2a1 a2 b1 b2 2ab a1 a2 b1 b2 plus a1 square a2 square plus b1 square b2 square plus 2a1 a2 b1 b2. These 2ab cancel. Here a1 square b2 square a1 square a2 square, what is the common term? a1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. In the remaining two values, what is the common term? b1 square. b1 square is the common term, a2 square plus b2 square. Next, what is the value? a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. It is the hypotenuse square. What is the hypotenuse? Under root. That means hypotenuse is root over a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. By using the trigonometry, we find sine. What is the value of sine? Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Please observe this value. Sine value is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by this value. Here theta is acute, so use mod. Cos is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by this value. Okay, please note these values. Next, already you proved this value. Sin theta is equal to mod a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by this value, cos theta tan theta. If the given two lines are parallel, what is the angle between these two lines? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. If theta is equal to 0, sin 0 means 0. After cross multiplication, it can be reduced into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. That means a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. That implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. If the two lines are parallel, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Already we proved this value. If the two lines are parallel, what is the condition? Slopes are equal. That means m1 is equal to m2. m1 means minus a1 by b1 is equal to minus a2 by b2. That means these two are cancelled. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, by using slopes condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. In this case, by using angle, also a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, similarly, if the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees, product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Here, theta is 90. What is cos 90? Cos 90 0. After cross multiplication, we get a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. If the two lines are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. But what is the condition? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. By using that property also, we prove this value. Okay, next, please note these values. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 be two lines. If two lines are parallel, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay. If two lines are perpendicular, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. If the two lines are identical, already we proved this value. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If two lines are identical or coincident lines, one of the line is overlap another line, they are said to be coincident lines. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If the two lines are parallel but not coincident, that means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Please note these values. Coming to the problems. First one, the angle between the lines y is equal to 4 minus 2x, y is equal to 3x plus 7 is dash. What are the given lines? Y is equal to 4 minus 2x, that implies 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the first line. Okay, move these values to LHS. Next, what is the second line? Y is equal to 3x plus 7, that implies 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. These are two lines. What is the slope of the first line? m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. What is the slope of the second line? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient means 3. Okay, minus 3 by minus 1, 3. Minus 2 by 1 means minus 2. Here m1 comma m2 are slopes of two given lines. Let theta be the acute angle between the two lines. Let theta be acute angle between two lines. Then what is the formula? Then we know that tan theta is equal to what is the formula? mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. By using this formula, we find the one of the acute angle. What is the other angle? If theta is one of the angle between the lines, other angle is pi minus theta. By using that condition, we find the angle between the lines. Okay. Here, tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is the m1? Minus 2. m2 is minus 3 by 1 plus minus 2 into minus 3 means minus 6. Okay, what is this value? Minus 5 by minus 5, that is equal to 1. Tan value 1 means that is equal to tan 45 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. That means angle between the two lines is 45 degrees. One of the angle is 45 degrees. What is the other angle? 180 minus theta. Other angle is 180 minus theta. That means 135 degrees. That means pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 are the angle between the two lines. Okay, please note this value. If the lines are given, first we find m1, next m2, and use the formula tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, next, second line, second problem. If the angle between the two lines, 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0, comma kx plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is pi by 4. Then k is equal dash. In this case, two lines are given. What is the first line? 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Second line is kx plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. In this case, k is unknown value. Okay, but angle between the two lines is given. What is the angle between the two lines? Pi by 4. By using this condition, we find the value of k. Here, this is the first line. What is the slope of this value? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient means minus 3 by minus 1. That means 3. What is the slope of the second line? Minus k by 1. That means minus k. Okay. Here, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. We know that tan theta is equal to, what is the condition? Mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, tan theta means tan 45 is equal to m1 means 3 minus of minus plus k by 1 minus 3k. m1 means 3 into minus k, plus into minus minus. Tan 45 means 1. Okay, tan 45 means 1. That means finally we get mod 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k is equal to 1. Okay, if mod x is equal to 2, what is the value of x? X is equal to plus or minus 2. Mod x is equal to a, x is equal to plus or minus a. By using that property, 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k is equal to plus or minus 1. In case 1 take plus 1, case 2 take minus 1, find the value of k. Case 1. In case 1, let 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k is equal to 1. In case 2, let 3 plus k by 1 minus 3k is equal to minus 1. By after cross multiplication, it can be reduced into 3 plus k is equal to 1 minus 3k. Move this k to RHS. That means 3k moves to LHS. That means 4k is equal to 1 minus 3 means, what is the value? Minus 2. That means k is equal to minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 2. It is one of the possible value of k. Next case. In this case, 3 plus k is equal to minus 1 plus 3k. Move this k to RHS. 2k is equal to 4. Okay, k is equal to 2. Finally, we get k is equal to 2 or k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Please note these values. Next, third one. Find the equation of the line passing through 1, 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, what is the given line? Root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is one of the lines. The required line passing through this point and makes an angle 60 degrees with this line. Okay, that means it is the given line L1, required line is in this way, say this value is L2, the angle between these two values is 60 degrees, or the line is in this direction is also in this way, L2 is, in this case also angle between the two lines is 60 degrees. There will be how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. First we find the slope of the line 2 and using this point we find the equation of the line. By using slope 0.5, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, we find the equation of the line. Okay, please note that value. First line, equation of the first line is root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient means minus root 3. Let m2 is equal to m be the slope of second line. Slope of second line. Slope is unknown value here, but angle between these two lines is given. What is the angle between these two lines? Theta is equal to 60 degrees. We know that. What is the formula? Tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 means root 3 is equal to mod m1 means minus root 3 minus m by 1 minus root 3m. Please observe this values. In this equation, m is unknown value. Only m. So, by using this condition, we find the value of m. If slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, after removing mod, it can be reduced into plus or minus root 3. That implies minus root 3 minus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to plus or minus root 3. Case 1. First you take plus root 3, second case minus root 3. Minus root 3 minus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to root 3, or minus root 3 minus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to minus root 3. Okay. After cross multiplication, minus root 3 minus m is equal to root 3 minus 3m. Root 3 minus 3m. That means 3m, move this value to LHS side, 2m is equal to 2 root 3. What is the value of m? M is equal to root 3. In case 1, m is equal to root 3. Here, m is root 3 and point, what is the point? Point P x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 2. If slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Or a by b is the slope of the line. What is the equation? ax minus by is equal to ax1 minus by1. By using that property, we find the equation of the line. Y minus y1 means y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus 1. It is the equation of the first line. Similarly, we find the value of m in this case. What is the value? Minus root 3 minus m is equal to minus root 3 plus 3m. Root 3 cancel. 4m is equal to 0 means m is equal to 0. Here slope m is equal to 0. What is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M means 0. x1 y1 is nothing but 1 to same point. Substitute this in this equation. We get the equation of the lines. This is one of the possibility. This is one of the possibility. We get two possibilities. Okay. Please note that values. Next, fourth one. The base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and the opposite vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Find the equation of remaining sides. Find the equation of the remaining sides. Say this is an equilateral triangle. What is the base of an equilateral triangle? X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is the base of an equilateral triangle. And opposite vertex means this value 2 comma minus 1. Now we find the equation of AB and AC, these two lines equations, these two sides equations. Okay. What is the angle in equilateral triangle? In equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. This angle 60, this angle 60, all of these angles are 60. This is the given line. Slope of this line is always m1 is equal to minus 1. Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Here, slope of this value unknown value, this value unknown value. But both of the angles are 60 degrees. So, let us assume m2 is equal to m be the slope of AB or AC. In this case, we get two values. One of the value is AB, another value must be AC. Okay, let m be the slope of the line AB or AC. But angle between these two lines, theta is equal to 60 degrees. We know that tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. By using this property, we get value of m. By using slope point form, we find the equation of these two lines. Okay, please note this value. What is the base of equilateral triangle? Base of equilateral triangle is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, slope is equal to, slope of this line is equal to minus 1. Let m1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Let m2 is equal to m be the slope of the side AB or AC. Both of these lines makes an angle 60 degrees. Okay. AB or AC. Then we know that tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here in each equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. That means here theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan 60 means is equal to mod m1 means m1 is equal to minus 1, m2 means minus m by 1 plus m1 means minus 1 into m minus m. Okay, tan 60 means root 3. After simplification, we get first we remove the mod. That means mod of minus 1 minus m by 1 minus m is equal to, it is the root 3. After removing the mod, minus 1 minus m by 1 minus m is equal to plus or minus root 3. In case 1, what is the value? Plus root 3. In case 1, we take plus root 3. Minus 1 minus m by 1 minus m is equal to root 3. In case 2, minus 1 minus m by 1 minus m is equal to minus root 3. After cross multiplication, minus 1 minus m is equal to root 3 minus root 3m. Okay, here move this value to root 3m to LHS. Root 3m minus m is equal to root 3 plus 1. What is the value of m here? M is equal to root 3 minus 1 is, m into root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 1. That means m is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, similarly, in this case also, we find the value of m. Minus 1 minus m is equal to minus root 3 plus root 3m. Okay. Here move this value to LHS. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to, what is the value? Root 3m plus m. That means m of root 3 plus 1. What is the value of m? M is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. After rationalizing, it can be reduced into, after rationalizing, multiplying and dividing with root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole square means 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 plus root 3. After rationalizing, the slope of this value is 2 plus root 3. Similarly, after rationalizing, this value can be reduced into 2 minus root 3. These are the slopes of the lines AB or AC. Take one of the slope as 2 plus root 3. What is the point? This AB passes through the point 2 comma minus 1. If slope and point are given, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the value of x1 y1? x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 1. In first case, take m is equal to 2 plus root 3. M is equal to 2 plus root 3. Substitute these points in this equation, we get one of the side equation. Next, second case, take m is equal to 2 minus root 3. Same point, find the equation of the lines. Okay, please note this value. Fifth one, if the lines 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and lambda x plus ky plus 2 is equal to 0 are identical or coincident lines, then the value of 3 lambda minus 2k is equal dash. 3 lambda minus 2k is equal dash. Here what are the lines? The lines equations are 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 is one of the line, and lambda x plus ky plus 2 is equal to 0 is the second line. But in this case, the two lines are identical. What is the meaning of identical? The two lines are coincident, that means overlap. What is the condition if the two lines are coincident? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Since the two lines are identical, therefore A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That implies A1 means 2 by lambda is equal to 3 by k is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means here 2 times cancel, that is equal to. That means 2 by lambda is equal to, now the value of 2 by lambda is equal to 2 comma 3 by k is equal to 2. That means what is the value of lambda? 2 lambda is equal to, that means lambda is equal to 1. Okay, here 3 is equal to 2k, that means k is equal to 3 by 2. Now we find the values of lambda and k, but the required value is 3 lambda minus 2k. Therefore 3 lambda minus 2k is equal to 3 of, what is the value of lambda? 1 minus 2 into k means 3 by 2. That means 2 cancel, finally we get 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. It is the required value. Please note this value. 3 minus 3, that means 0. Okay.